Welcome back to JS Networks. Today we are going to learn how to give narration to a PowerPoint presentation. We know that the world is facing a serious pandemic situation. Almost all jobs are done using online platforms. Students have to show their presentations before their teachers. Teachers have to prepare presentations for online classes. And for marketing people, if we take, they have to prepare their work to their senior persons, whatever it may be, whatever job, everywhere presentation is very much necessary. And we know that to share the matter with the persons, you need voice. So let's see how to give voice to a presentation which you have prepared. Okay, so let's start. This is a slide presentation, PowerPoint presentation which I have created. So first slide, computer is there. Second slide, details are there. And third slide and fourth slide. I have now 4 slides with me. Now I have to give sound to this. Okay, go to slideshow, record slideshow. From current slide is there, from beginning is there. Now I am standing at the starting, so I am going for from current slide. Now select this record button. Okay, start the recording. Countdown begins. Now, whatever you are saying, you can, that will be recorded. Suppose you want to say computer, in this class I am going to explain what's a computer. I am going to define it and I am going to explain the building blocks, etc, etc. Whatever you want you can tell. And if you wish to go to the next slide, here, next, see this. Suppose you want to write something over here, pen is there, marker is there, eraser is also there. You can select the color. So I am taking this color and I wish to mark it. Now I am defining, I am giving the definition of computer. Computer is an electronic machine. See, everything you can write. If you want to write something, you can write it over there. Suppose I want to write computer receives input through the input device. So this needs a little bit practice. See, input devices, whatever it may be, whatever you want to write to make it more explanatory, you can go like that. And then go to the next slide. Whatever you wish to tell, explain it. And if you want to stop, you can stop it over here. If you want to clear some voice, you can select clear and clear recording on current slide and clear recording it on all slides is there. Whatever you do, you wish, you can do. Now it is telling in which slide we are, and this is also telling the time. Okay, now go to the last slide. This is the last slide. So this much. Okay, now you are stopping it. Now you close it and see, you came back to your presentation. Okay, so this is what is actually being done. Now you have to go for, you have to make this particular file as MP4. Okay, video file. So go to file, export, create a video, create video. Once again, that is, this is my MS Office version is 2019. From 2013 onwards, this is the way, not same like this, almost similar to this. Okay, go to file, export, create a video and create video. It will ask the location where it is to be stored. So desktop I selected and .mp4 file. If you want to give a separate file, different file name, you can go for that and click on save. Okay, so this is a way how a presentation can be prepared. Hope this is clear for you. And if you want to upload this MP4 file in YouTube, you can go for that. If you want to present that MP4 file before your teachers, you can do that, and it will be explanatory. Okay, hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Thank you.